I have no idea what to pack for an evacuation for a hurricane that's coming. Do we take this toolbox? What about our suitcases?
Honey, I don't think we have enough fuel for the generator, and a hurricane's coming. A hurricane's coming. I have no idea if we have enough food. What's this generator interlock thing? A hurricane's coming. I don't know how to use it.
A hurricane's coming. Do I need my first aid kit?
I don't know what breakers to shut off. A hurricane's coming.
There's a hurricane coming. What about our electronics?
A hurricane's coming. I have no idea if we have enough food.
There's a hurricane coming. How much water do we need?
A hurricane's coming. I have no idea if this bathtub can hold any water, honey. A hurricane's coming. Do I have to brace my garage door? I have no idea if we have enough ice in the freezer. A hurricane's coming.
How do we protect our lanai with that hurricane coming? And what about our windows?
Boy, honey, I'm sure glad we bought this copy of Real Life Hurricane Prep on Amazon. It's answered all our questions and then some.